Okay, so we're getting into the nitty gritty of the battery testing for this E3 Pro. I'm going all out here. So I really, really want to test how long this battery can extend my power time. Now, I had a couple of thoughts on how to do this. I thought perhaps draining the MetaQuest 3 completely and just relying on the head strap would be the best option for testing the actual capacity. But then I thought as well, if the headset doesn't have any battery and it's only relying on the external battery from the head strap, will that cause the battery to be drained quicker because the headset is like, whoa, dude, I don't have any freaking power? I thought perhaps having the headset fully charged, adding the battery and plugging it in straight away. And then what we can do is see when the Quest 3 isn't under stress, how it utilizes the battery, and then we'll see how long it actually takes for it to drain. Now, I'm anticipating that this will run out within 3 to 4 hours of usage before the actual headset battery starts getting used. So that's the way I'm decided to go forward with this testing. The way I'm going to track it is I've got an activity, I've got the time it starts, the time it ends, and then the full time in total in between each activity I do. I am not one to sit and use VR for 4 hours straight. So the way I'll be doing it is intermittently. Tonight, the first activity that I need to do is I need to install some new apps because I've been given a heap more accessories from AMVR. I've been given the golf club, I've been given the extensions, I've been given the guns, and I need to use them all. And there's particular apps that work with some of them. So that's what I'm going to make this all about. I also think my Quest 3 needs some software and app updates. So that's what I'm going to do in this first little session. I've got my stopwatch here as well to get the exact amount of time. I have also fully charged the S100 battery that came with the E3 Pro. So we're going to plug that on now, and we'll see exactly how much charge we've got. So you can see there it's at 100% with this battery. The headset itself as well, I just finished charging, so we should have full capacity right now. And yeah, this little session where I'm installing apps and just doing updates is going to be the first session that I'll be using with it. So the other metric I'm looking for is when you plug the E3 Pro in, does it say charging, like the little charge symbol, or does it, like the Elite strap, say your headset's now using your battery? Considering this head strap is in the Made for Meta program, I'm assuming it's going to do the same thing as the Elite strap, but we're not going to know until we jump in there. So I'll be doing little check-in videos just like this every time I use it over the lifespan of the battery right now. But I love that full hinge rotation. Okay. Oh yeah, we've got to start the stopwatch too. So start that. The headset's actually on right now as well. We're not using the power source just yet. I just want to get the fit right. Might start recording first. Let's get a recording going. Let's go to the headset. Record video. Okay, so we're recording. I just need to keep a close eye. Actually, I want this. I want my menu. Okay, that's better. So if we have a look here, we can see that the MetaQuest, it's not plugged in at the minute to the E3 Pro. We can see that we're on full charge. And what we want to do is we want to plug this in. We want to make sure we're looking at this little battery symbol and we want to see what it does. Nothing happened. What happens when I press this? Okay. We heard a click or a beep. Oh, there you go. We got a noise. Okay. It's showing the charging symbol. That is different to the MetaQuest 3, so I can mark that down on my little sheet that I've got. Okay, but we're officially now using the MetaQuest 3 with full battery, and we're using the E3 Pro with a full battery as well. And we're going to see exactly how much extra playtime this battery is going to supply us. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and do all these updates, and I'll come back. I'll show you how much time I spent on the actual device and with the battery, and we'll go from there. So I just finished my first session. I downloaded a couple of apps. Looking at the headset, we've actually got 86% left. So we started at 100 just after that one little session, which was 33 minutes and 35 seconds. Yeah, we've only used roughly 14% of the extra battery that's included in there. Now, I'm probably not going to have another session until probably tomorrow. So I'm going to take that battery off, keep this charged, and we'll see. After we play some of those games that I just downloaded, I ended up downloading Gorilla Tag. I ended up downloading Superhot. Superhot is one of the first VR games that I played, and it's bloody awesome. you get to throw knives and shoot guns and stuff like that. So I'm sure that those gun pistols that I've got from AMVR will come in handy for that. And then I also downloaded, what was it? The mini golf game. So Everywhere Mini Golf or Here and There Mini Golf, something like that. I was hoping that I could find free versions that could work with those accessories, but I ended up having to pay. So I'm out of pocket roughly, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks. But we'll see how we go with all of these accessories tomorrow when we test them. And yeah, not bad for the first session. Only 14% used. The journey continues.